Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to remove a background and put a border around a picture in Canva. So first we're going to select our picture, and we'll head over to Background Remover. Remember, this is just a Canva Pro feature. Once the background is removed, we're going to go over to Edit, and then down to Effects we're going to select Shadow. And now we have two options. We have Glow and we also have Outline. So let's start with Outline. So this puts just a solid line around the picture. So we can play with the size. And then we can also play with intensity, so how solid or transparent we want the color. And then we can also select our color. Next one is Glow. So this is a bit of a softer border, giving it more of a 3D look. Again, we can play with the size, intensity, and we can also select our color. And that is 2 easy ways to put a border around your picture. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.